See if we make it through the night.
I am scared I'm gonna throw up.
I am a mess of emotions.
I'm getting the goosebumps.
Just rolled into Rock Springs, Wyoming. It is currently 1:15. We have about 6.5 hours left until we get to Hurricane. We're gonna stay at the My Place Economy Extended Stay. See if we make it through the night, and then get up about 7:30 and head out, and then it'll put us there about, I don't know, like 1:30ish, I think. And then yeah, see you there.
Sleep deprived a bit.
We just crossed the state border. We are in Utah now. Beautiful scenery. We are on a bit of a time crunch. Not to pick up the car, but to make it to Chick-fil-A breakfast. So we just had to take a little photo break, and now we are back on the road trying to go get some nuggies.
Slay.
Just finished lunch at Chick-fil-A. We're in Provo, about 4 hours north of Hurricane. So I'm gonna finish up, hit the road, and go pick up the camper, the car, and we have tech tonight at about 6 o'clock, so we should make it down there just in time to get through, get settled, yeah, get ready for tech tonight and everything tomorrow.
Videoing me. We've made it to Hurricane. We made our time crunch earlier, making Chick-fil-A breakfast, although we chose not.
We already vlogged that.
Okay, was I sleeping?
You were just gone.
Okay, well, tweet that. Awesome, good job, Julie. We made it to Hurricane. We took a little tour through Hurricane, and we found this little pizza joint here on the side of the road. We tested out. I went to the auto parts across the street, got a vacuum pump. Got to mess with the crack pressure on the wastegate for the turbo. A little bit, some more horsepower, and we're gonna go pick up the car here in 10 minutes-ish. We just made it to Primm, Nevada for the Snore battle at Primm. We are walking through contingency right now. We are the night before qualifying and tech contingency day. Qualifying in the morning, so we're getting early registration done and early safety inspection done. Yeah.
I'm in the car. I don't know where Gage went. Everybody else left. I am nervous, to be honest. I am scared I'm gonna throw up. But I'm just gonna not, I think. I think I'll be okay. I think Gage thinks I'm gonna throw up everywhere. But I do think I'll be okay. I'll wear some, I got the C-bands. I got Dramamine, non-drowsy, of course. And, okay, I'm about to put the full suit on, because I never have.
What are we doing, Gage?
We're heading to the driver's meeting to learn about qualifying. Then we're going to qualify right after.
Livi, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling amazing. Ready to go. Kind of hungry, but not hungry enough to eat.
Good job. How was that?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. How was qualifying?
Great.
Good. We ran a great qualifying lap. Hopefully we got a good time back. Took it a little easy on some of the parts because some of them where I looked a little, I don't know, never been on this track before, so got to feel it out a little bit. And it's really slippery. Coming into corners, you blow the corners maybe a little bit.
It did great. Left and right is difficult though, so we need to go to flashcards tonight. Julie, how are you feeling?
A little
Wait,
nervous.
talk about what we're doing.
Okay, so just got done with driver's meeting. Now we're going out to the battle at Primm, the Pit Crew Challenge. Essentially what we're doing is we're going to do a team relay. One person's going to take the shock off, run back, give it to the other person, and they're going to put the shock back on. So, me and Gage, we're going to figure something out, and we're going to make it happen.
I think it's cheating because Gage is not on the pit crew.
Well, you kind of is, so...
I'm not either. No.
And the only other person in our pit crew is currently buying our groceries right now. So we got to make something happen.
Yeah, facts. And are you nervous?
I'm getting the goosebumps. Yes, I think.
Look at that. That's cute. Sorry.
I just hope I don't trip and fall.
You're not for
top 5.
Oh, true.
Is that what
You don't know if we're top 5 yet.
is that what they're
I don't
keeping?
think that's what
So the fastest
No.
person gets
it is. Fifth person. Yeah, they're just keeping times for the one person to get a bottle. Whoever from the 5 has the fastest gets the bottle.
I'm feeling. Can you recap really quick?
Good morning. It is race day. We're putting the finishing touches on the race car. Julie said hello.
What's up?
Finishing touches.
Yep. Today we're actually deciding to use the counter to do some data logging. So I just zip tied that in there and get that secured so we can get some data for this race. So after that, we're pretty much set. Let Gage rip it.
I'm not sure what we're going to do with the data yet, but it'll be cool to see some sort of numbers or something. The race today, we have 5 13-mile laps. It's going to take us around 55 minutes probably. The course is out there. Part of the racetrack is right there. Pretty good view. We got woken up this morning about 6:50 at the trophy truck going screaming by. So yeah, we got about an hour until we go staging. So we're just kind of hanging out. Livy's doing some stretching inside. Yeah.
Okay, so we're good now?
No. I guess with like this.
Oh, it's like up and down.
And you're taking a picture of yourself. That's awesome. That pops up automatically.
All right, Margot, how are we feeling?
Oh my gosh, I am a mess of emotions. Short course makes me nervous. Beautiful day, great day, 3 wide start. Can't wait to watch this. It's gonna be a good day.
Left. 180 right, 200 yards, 300 yards. 180 right. Into a medium, sweeping right. Medium, sweeping right. 300 yards. Medium, sweeping right, 200 yards.
I think we should go down there.
Good job. 180 right. Come on, girl.
Saturday racing. A little race recap. We did really good. We started off 7th from yesterday in qualifying, so 3rd row off the line. Finished up physical 3rd. Passed a couple people that blew some belts or broke down or something. We had a big one pass. Coming off a big jump, flying into a corner. We took the inside of the car. You can see one flap's in the wrong spot there. Car kind of slid into us right here, or we slid into each other. He ended up blowing a tire, but we made it out. We were going real fast. It was a lot of fun. We were battling some lip mode issues once again. Just like last race, once I get up into seems like 60 miles per hour range, sometimes it would turn on lip mode. So I had to stop and shut the car off, turn it back on like 3 times. Check the car over, see if everything's good. See if we can change the belt. See what we can do for the. I think it's the belt. I think it's the battery. So let's look at it. I can't imagine right now what's going on. Livi did a great job co-driving. Finished physical 3rd. We'll see what the times are.
Well, Livi, how did it go?
Great. It got a little rough towards the end. I couldn't really talk because I couldn't breathe. But they said I did okay.
Yeah,
That's all I wanted.
So in the last race here today, we were going into lip mode a couple times, and I thought that it may have been due to the belt. And it looks like that could be a very good cause. You can see here it's missing some ribs. Other side, both sides. There's a sensor there. It's like a vibration sensor, so this is stuff like that. They're doing it. They have a different type. This is called a badass belt for G-Boost. Now it's a G-Boost Sandstorm belt. So maybe we'll have some better luck with that one. Good morning. It is day 2 of racing. It's about 8 o'clock. We are gonna start getting ready around 9 o'clock. Same schedule as yesterday. Staging at 9:35, hitting the green flag at 9:55. I'm not sure how the starting order works today, but I'm guessing it'll be based off of yesterday. So we finished 3rd yesterday, so I'm guessing Toronto will go first off the line, and then we'll be in the 2nd row. So that'll be pretty sweet. Hopefully we get a little bit better start today. We'll watch the flag person, not the screen. Car's ready to go. We put a new belt on, checked the air, changed one of the tires. As much as we know what to do, we did to try to fix the check engine issues yesterday. Camper is out of water now, so it's going to be a little smelly on the car ride home until we find a hotel with a shower tonight. But, yeah, we've got to head out pretty much right after the race and start heading home so we can get back for career fair, or not career fair. What is it called?
Senior design.
It's design fair. And then Livi has to work on Tuesday, so. How's the mirror look? I can't see anyone. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
911 Pitts, where are you?
Bring her around. We're at the camper for video.
I think I have a flat tire.
Going to the hot pit?
No, we're almost to you guys, so I don't know what to do.
Out the pit? At the camper?
You feel it?
Yeah. You're right.
Okay.
We're almost there.
I think I'm gonna pull over on the straight and change it. I knew we shouldn't have put this tire on. I had a bad feeling about it.
It's okay. You're doing great. No one's behind you.
Dang, we were just catching him.
Do you need me to do anything?
No, you can stay in the car.
Okay.
Can you see if I have a flat?
Hey. On the side of the track right there. Side.
What did you say?
He said pull over, I think. Good job. Good. Danger in 500. 400. 300. 200.
Just finished up day 2 of racing, last day. We were running really good. We started on the 3rd row because it was out of overall UTVs, and we caught up to the 2nd row UTVs on the first lap. So we were moving pretty good. Got a flat tire. Hit a rock or something, sliding into corners. So I changed the tire over there. Took about 6 minutes, I think. A bunch of people passed us as we were changing it, so put it back on, got a new one on, and finished the last 4 laps, and passed a lot of the cars that passed us, so that was pretty fun. Overall, really fun race. The 13-mile track goes pretty fast, time-wise. We were moving real fast those last couple of laps, a lot faster than yesterday. A lot of fun jumps. The car is amazing. Took some abuse for sure, but yeah. That's your turn.
Great. I think I did better today than yesterday. I figured out how to get the map to work correctly, so that was a bonus. Kind of a hindrance yesterday. I'm really proud of Gage. He did amazing.
Good job. Dooley, you're up. Post race.
Post race. Just finished up. Just kind of going back and forth, making sure they were good along the course. End of the first lap, got a flat tire, unfortunately. It was right after crossing the start finish, so a little bit too long to make it to the hot pit, so we could change it in the pit for a little bit faster, but Gage got it done quick, threw everything back together, and they made great time coming back. Finished the race off great. Everything looks good from the stands. The car's running amazing. Till next time, I guess.